everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be talking about beauty products that I use that I feel are very underrated. I don't hear a lot of people talking about these products or raving about these products, and I personally think they are so good. So if you are not using these products, I truly feel like you're missing out. So if you'd like to find out what those beauty products are and why I love them so much, then please keep on watching. Before I get started, I want to mention that if you like this makeup look that I have on here, I will put the link to the Get Ready With Me Trying New Makeup video where I create this look that I just filmed prior to filming this one. The link will be in the description box. I don't normally film 2 videos in one day, but I was feeling inspired, and so many of you ask me for tutorials on the makeup I'm wearing in videos, and most of the time I don't have tutorials for those looks. But this time, I have a tutorial for this look. So I'm gonna start with 2 of my favorite underrated skincare products. One of them is high-end, one of them is drugstore. You will find all price points in this video. The first product I want to talk about is this one from Wander. It is the Drift Away Cleanser. I know I've raved about this product in prior videos. I continue to repurchase this cleanser. I try others, but this is just my favorite for removing my makeup. And when I say removing my makeup, I mean removing all of my makeup. I mean it removes even my long wearing makeup, like Estee Lauder Double Wear, or after I've used a ton of setting spray and my makeup is just locked in. This takes everything off. It leaves my skin feeling so refreshed. It doesn't sting my eyes. I keep trying other cleansers and makeup removing products, but I continue to go back to this one. It contains coconut water, guava fruit extract, which is rich in vitamins A, B, and C, which are known to be incredible antioxidants and detoxifiers. It contains kelp, which helps defend skin against free radicals that contribute to premature aging. This product is cruelty-free, fragrance-free, and vegan-friendly. Sephora used to carry this product, but now I get mine either directly from the Wander Beauty website or from Nordstrom or from Dermstore. Now this next product I first started using early last year. It is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream Moisturizer for extra dry skin that contains hyaluronic acid. As you can see, this container is almost empty. I have already gone and purchased a replacement. This is honestly the best drugstore moisturizer I've ever used. I have very oily skin, but it also gets very dehydrated because I use a lot of products to help refine my pores and to help brighten my skin tone. So some of those products can dry out the surface layer of my skin. So I need something that is going to be hydrating but not break me out, not make me too greasy, and this really fits the bill. It also contains one of the most helpful ingredients for hydrating your skin that there is, which is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid holds 1,000 times its weight in water, but you do have to have water in your skin in order for hyaluronic acid to work. I have hyaluronic acid serums, but I sort of struggle with those because you have to have your face be sort of damp before you apply the serum. It also helps to live in a climate that isn't super dry. I live in Las Vegas. It's really dry here. So the hyaluronic acid cannot pull from the air. It has to pull from my skin. And I just don't have a lot of water in my skin for it to pull from. So I have to dampen my face and then use a serum. Long story short, I'm just really happy with the fact that the hyaluronic acid is built in to the formula of this moisturizer. Even this extra dry formula does not make me greasy. It sinks right into my skin. It works beautifully under makeup. Like all the products I'll be showing in this video, I can't recommend it enough. Okay, the next 5 products are makeup products. Let's start with lips. I am not a big fan of liquid lipsticks, and I know a lot of you aren't either. So many of them are super drying. They make your lips look older, and I've tried liquid lipsticks from $3 up to probably $40. And I have to say that the most underrated liquid lipsticks are from Revlon. These are the Ultra HD Matte Lip Colors. I currently have on my favorite shade called Seduction. Whenever I wear this color, I receive so many compliments. Well, let me clarify. I always received compliments on this lipstick prior to having to go out with a mask on all the time. This is such a great color and a really nice formula. My lips never feel dry. It applies very evenly. I've had high-end liquid lipsticks, very expensive liquid lipsticks, that when I've applied them, I've gotten chunks of pigment appearing on my lips, or they go on very patchy and I'll have to go back over a second time. This goes on smoothly, evenly. It's non-drying in my opinion, and I love the color. The other shade I have that I like to wear in the summertime is this one that's sort of a bright pink. It's called Devotion. Okay, moving on to eyes. I truly feel that the brand Elsie is very underrated. They have so many excellent products. This brand was created by Lilith Cardanian, who is an LA-based makeup artist. I purchased these products from Namie's Beauty Center in Los Angeles. You can get these products online, and I will have them linked to purchase online because you are going to want to try these products. The first standout to me from the brand is this Minimalist eyeshadow palette. This palette is everything. I'm actually on my second one. I had the first one for many years. I very rarely hit pan on any eyeshadow, and I hit pan on every single one of these because why wouldn't you? Look at this color combo. This is the base for any eye makeup look, or it can be the base for any eye makeup look. All of the shades are matte, all of them are blendable, all of them are richly pigmented. You can use this shade right here as a blush. You can use this shade on your brows. You can use this shade as a bronzer / contour. You've got the black for eyeliner. This is amazing and so underrated. Now, even though I'm wearing an all matte look on my eyes today, typically you will find me wearing some sort of shimmer shade on my lids. I've recently started getting into more cream products for my lids, and Elsie's Jewel Pots are perfect for adding just the right amount of sparkle on the lid. These are cream eyeshadows. They are made up of creamy metallic pigments. And I just saw moments ago that these are now available at Ulta online. So the shade I just swatched is called Garnet, and here's another shade. This is a beautiful purple. What color is this? Oh, this is Amethyst. What's great about these is that you can just wear them alone as a one and done eyeshadow, and they're just so pretty and so flattering on more mature lids. Next up is this product from Kaja Beauty. It is called the Beauty Bento Bouncy Shimmer Eyeshadow Trio. I have the shade Orange Blossom. There are 3 shimmer shadows in this stack, and they are perfect for taking your look from day to night, or for just adding a pop of glam to your day-to-day look if you so choose. I'm actually going to pop on a little bit of this middle shade, this gold. This is sort of an orangey gold, which makes sense because the stack is called Orange Blossom. So there is a little mirror in the compact, so you can just pat the shadow right on, and voila, instant next level glam. So speaking of next level glam, if you do not own a Jouer highlighter, you are definitely missing out. Jouer makes one of the best highlighter formulas I've ever tried, and I've tried a lot of highlighters. This particular shade, Citrine, is one of my favorites, and a little bit goes a long way. This highlighter is not for the faint of heart though. It is bold, but it is gorgeous. It's one of the few bold highlighters I've tried that doesn't make my pores look enormous. I have textured skin, especially in this area, so it does emphasize it a little bit, but in comparison to other highlighters, it really looks pretty darn good. So if you like a bold highlight, do not sleep on these Jouer highlighters. You've got to try one. And finally, product number 7 is from another brand that I think is sort of underrated overall, and that would be the Balm. I have used this Bahama Mama bronzer off and on for so many years. When I had my makeup boutique from 2007 to 2010, we carried the Balm at the store, and there were just so many good products. The Hot Mama blush, the powder for shine, I can't remember the name of it. They had a tinted moisturizer that was really good. And this Bahama Mama bronzer is truly the most perfect tone for my skin that I've ever found. I try a lot of different bronzers, and there are a lot that I really like, that I do think look good on my skin. But then whenever I decide to reach into my drawer and pull this out and use it again, I always think, yep, this is it. This is the winner. It just works so well on my skin tone. I can use this to bronze up my skin. I can use it to contour. It's a great transition shade for your eyeshadow looks. You can even use it all over the lid just for an everyday out the door 3-minute makeup look. I like that it's matte. And the packaging is just so cute. Let me know in the comments if you've tried these products or if you plan to. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber of mine, I would really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button. I do try to upload new videos at least twice per week. And you can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter under the same username. It's all Risa Does Makeup. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, I really hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.